It's Pina Colada time! Welcome back, boys and girls. I very recently, I think it was last week by the time this comes out, I've done a video on my own personal channel with lots of Pina Colada inspiration. Now, knowing full well it's Pina Colada Day as well, and we had this, I kind of didn't want to cover the same ground as the video that I did on my channel. So, I've gone for some fun, different twist, different inspiration of Larry as well that you've got with Monin's Pina Colada Syrup. Now this, to describe this, is pineapple and coconut all in one. It tastes like a pina colada. To start you off, I have done a pina colada with that and spiced rum. But from there, I've gone for a banana colada daiquiri, which is so good. And then I upped it even more, and I've done a pina colada iced tea. Think Long Island iced tea, but a pina colada one. Stay tuned for that. See, first cocktail, I could not do the pina colada for you, but I'm going to do a very easy pina colada. So simple, so easy. I'm using Monin's Pina Colada Syrup. I'm using a spiced rum, kind of one of my go-to spiced rums. It's quite strong, this one, but luscious kind of vanilla caramelly notes. It'll work perfectly with this caramel banana. Of course, it's got a caramel and sort of coconut and pineapple. Of course, it's going to work. Pressed pineapple juice, half and half milk, half cream in there, and then just to garnish, you could obviously go fresh pineapple, but I've got some of ODK's dehydrated pineapple. So they're nice and simple. It's a shaken cocktail. You don't have to blend pina coladas at all. Shake it, blend it, whatever you fancy, not a problem. Now for this, I'm going for 30ml. Just had to double check what I put down there. I'm going for 30ml of this pina colada syrup. And I'm also not adding any lime juice. That's up to you. If you want to add lime, go for it. And then the next ingredient I'm going for is my spiced rum. This is rum bouillon. As I say, this is cracking. Go through quite a bit of this. I'm going for 60ml, a double bubble, whatever favourite spiced rum you've got. And then I'm going for my half and half, as I say, half milk, half cream. Can just go normal cream, can just go milk, whatever you can go. Coconut milk, whatever you fancy. I'm going to do 30ml, 1 ounce. Should have done the cream first to wash it all out, but hopefully we'll get all of it out with the pineapple. And I'm going for 60ml, 2 ounces of pressed, I always say this, pressed pineapple juice. Get 100% pressed. This is just Tesco's, it's supermarket owned, but it's better. It tastes so much better than the stuff from concentrate, I promise you. And it's only like 20p more expensive, so get pressed pineapple juice. Well, then plenty of ice in there. Actually, one more, and then we're going to give it hard, fast shake. Hard, fast, Welly, get out of breath. And then to serve it up, it'd be rude not to use a pineapple glass, wouldn't it? Links to all this will be in the show description below. I'm just going to do a shake and dump, to be fair. Shake and dump. There we go. You could top that up. We've got a little bit more in there. You could top that up with crushed ice. And then to garnish, I say one of these. I love these. Absolutely love these. Dehydrated pineapple from ODK. And I just got a couple of pineapple leaves out of the freezer. I forgot all about them. That is gorgeous. That's a really good syrup. Tastes like pina colada. Really good. Spiced rum comes through. I love this. This is proper easy. It's going to please everyone, this recipe. Right then, your second cocktail. That's where safe ends. This is where fun begins. You could argue that that's fun, and it is fun, but I'm going a bit Larry, a bit off topic now. So, this is a banana colada daiquiri. I'm using Monin's, I was going to say banana then, Monin's Pina Colada Syrup. I'm using my personal, Steve the Barman hat on, my personal go-to banana rum. Once you try this one, you will not go back to other brands, I promise you. But I'm not here on this channel to promote this one. I just love it so much. When I get certain products, I'm like, and then we go on to the next one as well, Giffard's pineapple. To my I can't think of other pineapple liqueurs available in the UK. Yes, we've got pineapple rums, but I cannot think of another pineapple liqueur. So this pretty much corners the market, but it nails it. It's such a good pineapple liqueur. I've got some ODK's lime juice, and I've got some Still a Bump foamers because I'm going to put a lovely white layer of froth on top of the drink. Right then, let's get cracking. Shaken cocktail. Let's go for this one first. I've got to keep looking. How much did I put? 30ml. I've gone for, it's unlike me, but I did like that 30ml. So 30ml, 1 ounce of this pina colada syrup. So that's in there. Next ingredient is your banana rum, and the thing I didn't mention about this might be the reason why I kind of like it so much. 57%. So kind of like an overproof. Oh, it's so good, so good. So obviously, as it's 57%, we don't want it 60ml. You could go 60ml, but I'm just going for 45ml, 1.5 ounces. Oh, the banana coladas are gorgeous. And then the third ingredient is that the right way around. Do you know what? I get as excited about this liqueur as I do that, because this is, I just want to dip a straw in that. It's just, I'm really struggling to think of another pineapple liqueur on the market. Anyway, 15ml, half an ounce of that. And then we just want some lime juice just to kind of rein the sweetness back in. Obviously, there's quite a bit of alcohol in there as well. So I'm just going for 15ml for this, half an ounce of lime juice. Feel free, if you think that's going to be a bit too sweet, add a bit more lime. Then I haven't used these for a few cocktails, so let's crack out the old foamers. Still a Bump Magic foamers. You know the drill by now. Just 8 drops of these. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I've got into the habit of not dry shaking these foamers, and they work just as good. Need to get some more ice out for the next cocktail. So hard and fast shake, 10 to 12 seconds, proper welly. Now I've just got my tiki Mai Tai glass. I don't know why it's called a Mai Tai glass, but I love it. It's perfect size for these kind of drinks. Nice again, well, it's not even 5 minutes, probably 2 or 3 minutes. Double strain. Oh yeah, we've got the nice froth on top, look at that. And then this is a garnish with whatever you fancy kind of cocktail, but again, faff-free, and the aromas are amazing. Dehydrated lime, just gonna balance it or float it nicely on top. There we go. Booze forward, banana citrusy with a bit of fun and pineapple and coconut. Oh, that's naughty. I'm not saying anything more, that is proper naughty. I like that. I can't get over how good that tastes. That's just like, oh, so excited. And it's excited about that. I'm excited about cocktail number 3. I've never done anything like this before. I don't know how it's going to go, so this is going to be fun. You're with me, trying it for the first time. This is a Pina Colada Iced Tea. Okay, so think Long Island iced tea, Pina Colada twist on it. So, obviously, Monin's Pina Colada Syrup. I've got Isle of Fiji, Plantation Isle of Fiji. It's a tropical forward rum. I don't think there is another rum that even come close to the taste profile of that, but feel free to swap it out for a different rum. This is just totally unique on its own. Tropical flavours. It's just in a whole world of its own. But other rums will work. Of course, they're going to work. They're just going to taste different. My personal go-to coconut rum. This is a rum. This is not Malibu. Malibu's a lot weaker. Malibu's a liqueur, 21% ABV. This is proper full strength, coconut forward rum, luscious, gorgeous, cheap as chips. Kind of a lot of the time on offer from Amazon for like 14, 15 quid. It's so good. So we've got coconut rum, I've got lemon juice, and then we've obviously got Coke. So let's get into this. I can't wait to try this. I can't wait. Have I done 30ml? I've done 30ml for this as well. 30ml of a Pina Colada syrup. It seems to be working. I really like it. So 30ml, 1 ounce of Pina Colada syrup. Then I'm going for 30ml of Plantation's Isle of Fiji rum, or whatever rum you're using, but 30ml of this. Gorgeous. Oh, the smell is just amazing. And I know you guys did give me lots of other different words to use of amazing. I've screenshotted them, but I completely forgot to look at them. So we will try and get a different word to amazing in the next video. Our next filming session. So because this is full strength and that's full strength, I'm going for 30ml of this as well. But if you are going to use Malibu, I potentially would go, so 30ml of that, I potentially would go 45ml of your decent full strength base rum and then 15ml of Malibu. Because A, it's sweeter, B, it's weaker, so you're going to need more alcohol to kind of pep it up. So 30ml and 30ml. Now for this, lemon juice, I was thinking 30ml for this, but I'm reining it back to 22.5ml, so 3/4 of an ounce, and I think that should work perfectly. So plenty of ice cubes, you know the drill, don't you? Of course you do, right? And then hard and fast shake. So first up, that in itself tastes flipping amazing. That is a cocktail in its own right, maybe served up like that. But I'm now going to ruin it with Coke. No, I'm not. This is going to taste amazing. So, let's just stop it there. Bit of ice in your glass. It's a bamboo cooler. I'm going to single strain that into the cocktail. Yeah, we will go another cube of ice. Another cube of ice in there. And then I'm going to get my cola. This is Coke Zero. Coke Zero, hopefully. I haven't done one of these for ages. Hopefully it will kind of layer on top. Yeah. There we go. I'm going to ruin this for the thumbnail now because I've got to drink it, innit? I might taste this after I've done the thumbnail. No, I won't. That works a treat. That is a fun and fruity twist on an iced tea. Oh dear God, why has no one ever thought of that before? I'm scared to have too much of it because I don't want to ruin that for the thumbnail. I'm going to put like pineapple leaves, kind of like that. And what else was I going to put on it? Pineapple spears and the lemon. Yeah, wait, we'll do a dehydrated lemon on top there. Like, let's show, so you can see. Where is it? It's that one here. I'm just going to do that and a couple of pineapple leaves. Oh, that's so good. That's really, really good. So there we have it, boys and girls. There's definitely some Pina Colada inspiration there for you for Monin's Pina Colada Syrup. That is definitely worth getting. I do like that a lot. You can have a lot of fun with that. So there we go. Let me know which is your favourite and which one are you going to try at home. As always, if you want more inspiration, ping, cha-ching, there you go. Give us a big old like, big old thumbs up. And if you haven't done so already, you don't want to miss another video. You know you don't. Subscribe to the channel.